Today we're going to check out what our staff's favorite finds in the greenhouse are for holiday gifting. Let's see what they've got in store.
My gift guide pick is the We the Wild neem oil spray. I love this stuff. I've gone through 2 bottles of it now. I'm probably gonna get one for myself. It's so easy to use. It doesn't smell like a lot of neem oil does, and it's just kind of universal. It's useful.
All right, my gift guide pick for this holiday season is gonna be some Tonkadale merch. Here we have the varsity crew neck long sleeve. For those of you who didn't make varsity, here's your chance. Get the Tonkadale team one. Look how nice that is. I know this is on my wife's wish list. She might be seeing one of these.
My gift guide pick is the DeWitt Hori Hori knife. This is the most useful thing in my gardening kit. She's extra sharp, she's extra strong, serrated on one side and sharpened on the other. I use it for digging up tubers, for cutting down tomato plants, for hacking back dead stuff out of my garden. Endlessly useful, and it is a really great gift to give. I give one to all the gardeners in my family.
My pick is the gift card, because you get an additional $20 for the month of December. When you come in and spend $100, you get more. You get $20 more. So for every $100 that you spend on a gift card, you get $20 in a Dazzle card. This card needs to be used before the end of March, but it gives you an opportunity to buy whatever you want.
My pick for gifting is always seeds. It's a great way to brighten up a cloudy winter day. Think spring. There's also really cute artwork on the front. I just love it. Then they'll see it come up in the spring and think of me.
My gift guide pick is gonna be this beautiful ficus shiveriana with this beautiful pot. Who wouldn't want this? This makes a great gift for the holiday season. It's an easy to care for plant. It's unique. It's got bright colors and also a great price on this pot here. So it makes for a great combo. I just said great like 50 times. Once these plants were really hard to get a hold of, so it's really cool to be able to see these coming in such a beautiful, nice, bushy form. So yeah, for the plant lover in your life, great option. Great pot, neutral, goes in anybody's home as well.
My gifting pick is the Mossify plant tape. It is the perfect little stocking stuffer if you need another last minute gift. You can stake up your plants with it. I use it inside, I use it outside on my tomatoes. You can't go wrong.
My gift guide pick is Soul Soil. This is a great plant parent gift. It's an awesome soil for all different kind of house plants, and it comes in a new big Papa Bear size. We have Baby Bear, Mama Bear, and the new Papa Bear size. So maybe this year, instead of coal, fill somebody's stocking with soil instead.
Hi guys, my name's Faith. My gift guide pick is geometry towels. These are a staple here at Tonkadale. They are super thin, but they absorb a ton of moisture, and we have a ton of really cute patterns, like this little reindeer. It's got ornaments on it, traditional stripes. I just love these. They're the perfect gift.
My gift guide pick is candles. Candles are always a great gift, a great stocking stuffer. These are by the company called Blow Me. It's a local girl who makes these. They're super cute. The branding is adorable. And her names, like for the candles, are just so smart and quippy. Strawberry Shouty, strawberry bread and buttercream, and then milk and honey and lots of money, honey, cream, and cinnamon. And they're not just like holiday candles. You could have these out any time of the year. She also has holiday candles that are smaller, a good price point. This one's called Slay My Name. And it's just like, it just takes me back to like a specific time of my life, maybe like childhood Christmas. I don't know, whatever it is, it's delicious. They also have these like wood wicks, which last a lot longer than your typical candle. Easy peasy gift I would give myself and I would give someone else.